Okay, so right here render is completed, and you actually can see we have 6 hours 46 minutes. So it's about 7 hours took for this image to render. It is quite a bit higher resolution, but also reason why sometimes I don't necessarily create high resolution images in tutorials, because it takes a very long time to render. And just imagine if you do animation per frame, 7 hours. So it's, but overall would just take very long. It's atmospheric settings, also reflections and all that stuff. So that is all kind of will add to this. But point is this, we're done with our render. Let's go ahead, click OK, and we want to save it. So we have it our normal image, we have it our Z depth. I don't know if we're going to use in this specific case, but I think we will. So let's go ahead, just save it. Okay, we're going to click, and you know what? Let's select this as HDR. So we'll just save it. Okay, let's go save HDR. Next, we'll go save one more time. Okay, let's go save this as Photoshop format, PSD, which have it all of this. Let's save it this one. Next, we'll go switch to the Z type. Let's open, and we'll save this one as, let's go PSD or TFF. TFF is kind of nicer because it will have it no compression, so very good. And now we can look on the G buffer, actual multipass is what we're going to do, and we have it our masking. So this is our mask for our rocket. We can of course save all of this multipass file, but right here you can see we have it all our effects. So we have it our post-processing. Okay, let's go select our multipass, velocity, backgrounds, if we need reflections. So kind of nice because we have it our reflections, we can replace it. So it's very good because if we put a person here and we want to add reflection, we can just have it our reflections and apply to those ones only. So let's look what else we have here. We have it of course our all the robots. So I'm going just to save all of them. I'm not sure if I want to just save diffuse map, maybe to apply some to our terrain. We also have it our refractions. Let's go look on the shadows, should be applied. Yep, where's the file down? And map with shadows is kind of nice because you can see how a shadow work. If you add any another components, we can put a person and match the shadows. It will help us work with this, so we can have a density of the shadows and other effect as well. So I'm going to save all of this as TFF file right now. Okay, so we're done with saving all of our elements from multipass. Let's go now, just closing this one. We'll go to save our work again. The next things I just want to render, it is NPR, non-photorealistic render. And so what's happening right here, we can outline and creating more as a looking like cartoon or something. So in this case, let's expand it. And this is what happened default. Mostly probably will go just to work with the outline kind of and make a little bit more blend with our shaders. So you can see right here we have it how many, so hatch, half tone, we can go tune type, a little bit more color. This is have less steps, so we have our levels on tone and smoothness. And in some illustrations what you had before, so I think if we're going with a tone maybe 15, we'll see. Okay, we also have our texturing, which is normal. Let's go look with a tune maybe we could reduce 10, so we'll have even less coloring in this case. That may help to bring elements. But I think if we're going with 64 steps, what was around 64 or 32, let's go try 32, probably about right. Outlines, independent string about right. We're going levels, it's fine. Line style, one precision, so it will go around our model, so it will add a little bit effect. I have a tutorial about what is all the settings need. Overall, here's precisions, how accurate will be line, and if you have it less precision, you can see the different. It just outline kind of funny somewhat around. So we want a high precision on this. Angles won't be matter. Thing scale just fine. Okay, let's go local lean distortion. We don't need it, and it's all good. So let's go ahead, click OK. So in this case, when we start NPR, and we may be doing in However, we will render later, but it will take same amount of time. It just may apply to this when we preview render. So in this case, we can apply to that, but it may take time if we adjust something. So I'll just leave it as default right now. Okay, and we'll render this later. So again, we save this image. Let's go right now inside the Photoshop, and there we're going to kind of select what model we want to put it and start work on this.